Hello and welcome back to Wireman's Whimsy. We are going to do project number 2 in the Daisy Daydream kit. And I just, oh, that's project number 3. I need project number 2. Come on, project number 2. Okay, so I have got my card base. I have got my stamp with the thank you for always being there for me on it. I've got my card front, I've got my detail, I've got my flower and the bee and the vellum and the card, the greeting base. So, okay, let's just pop this to the side for now and let's stamp our greetings. So we're getting out our Lost Lagoon. Making we're inked up really well. And then we're going to put this the right way around. I guess it doesn't matter. The tag is reversible. So we're just going to pop that down like that. Thank you for always being there for me. Okay, so that's done. Now, what do we need to do? We need to take our card base and we need to put, oh, I got 2 of those. We only need the one. And we need to put the adhesive strips. We need to put, let's put this the right way around so we're doing this correctly as with the picture. We're going to put one of these here, like this. Okay, and then we're going to put another one down the middle like that, and a third one along the bottom like that. Okay, and then we need to take our circle and we need to put 4 adhesive dots on it. So if you notice that I'm having trouble with my hands, please excuse them. I have been hand quilting a quilt that I hand pieced years ago. And so I have all these calluses on the ends of my fingers and it's like they're numb. So please excuse me if it looks like I'm having trouble with my hands. It's just that I can't feel anything with my fingertips. So we're going to take these backings off. And we're going to put this on. So I'm just going to line it up like I normally would and then just drop it down. So there we go. And then we're going to take the backings off of our adhesive dots. There we go. And somewhere at convention, I managed to lose my piercing tool, which I normally use for peeling these backings off. So there we go. Okay, this goes down like this, I think. I'm trying to determine which way around it goes. I think it's like this. There we go. And you drop it down in that open space, kind of equal distance all the way around, and then just give it a push. And then we need to take our daisy. This is the daisy we're using, and we're putting a dimensional right in the middle of the daisy flower, and then we're putting another one down here like this, and then we're taking our adhesive dots and we're putting one on the leaf here like that. And while I've got the dots out, I'll put the one on the bee as well because we need one on the bee. There we go. Okay, so now I'm going to take this and I'm going to, oh, let's take the backing off of the thing as well. Okay, and this is going to go down here like this. Okay, and then we're going to take the backing off the bumblebee. There we go. And like this. And then I need to build this piece. So I've got my vellum piece and I'm going to put 2 adhesive dots on the back of the vellum piece up a little bit higher than the middle. And this is so that those dots are hidden when we put this together. So with the greeting, I need to do 3 dimensionals across the back like this. And then I'm going to take this and I'm going to pop it down onto the vellum, offsetting it. You know what? Did I use the wrong? No, these are the only greetings I've got. But this seems to be just slightly bigger than the vellum. Let me just see. Did I use the wrong greeting banner? I did. I'm sorry, I used the wrong greeting banner. So we're just going to throw that off to the side, and we're going to restamp our banner. I thought it looked a little snug on there. So there are 3 different banners in your die cuts. So we're going to restamp this like that. There we go. And then we're going to put 3 dimensionals on the back of this. It's like rewind, that never happened. There we go. 1, 2, and 3. I was trying to figure out why my tag didn't fit on the piece of vellum correctly. So my immediate thought, of course, is, oh, the vellum's the wrong size, but nope. It was the greeting that I chose. Okay, so then this goes on to the vellum like this. There we go. And then we take our backs off the dots on the vellum. Come on, there we go, we can do it. And then we pop this down like this. So there we go. And that is our second project from the Daisy Daydream Paper Pumpkin for March 2025. So thank you so much for watching, and stay tuned for that project 3 coming right up.